Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today, we are diving into Ethereum's market dynamics, exploring key levels, and debating its future against Bitcoin. Also, Vitalik has a girlfriend? Let's get started. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,287. Looking at the VRVP, we see a significant level at $2,341, which could attract price action due to high trading volume. However, the money flow is negative, indicating more money is exiting than entering. With the RSI showing oversold conditions, we're in a cautious market phase. The heat map suggests potential liquidations at $2,252. Expect Ethereum to oscillate between $2,341 and $2,252, possibly dipping to $2,252 to clear out over-leveraged positions. Shifting to the Ethereum-Bitcoin pair weekly, we're revisiting levels not seen since April 2021. Ethereum's losing ground to Bitcoin, which is concerning. With competitors like Solana and Layer 2 solutions on the rise, Ethereum might be transitioning into a testbed for newer tech, reminiscent of Litecoin's path. Ethereum was the gold standard for altcoins, but its narrative as a Turing-complete world computer for DeFi might not hold as uniquely anymore. Why does Ethereum maintain its value when its role seems increasingly replaceable? Here's where it gets spicy. Ethereum's switch to proof-of-stake might have been a strategic misstep. It arguably centralizes power, potentially straying from Ethereum's decentralized ethos. The ETH not earning the staking yield is not helping. I could dive deeper into this in another video if you're interested. Also, Vitalik Buterin's personal ventures and the sale of his holdings haven't exactly boosted market confidence. Ethereum feels like it's at a crossroads with its foundational strength questioned. So, is Ethereum on the decline, or is this a temporary setback? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. If you found this analysis insightful, hit that subscribe button and activate notifications for more crypto deep dives. And see you in the next one.